think I'm just gonna stand up.
Okay. Ashley, we're at Cinnamon Challenge.
Challenge.
What's the date?
Sunday morning. Oh wait.
Oh, you probably need some
I'm gonna
water.
get something to wash it down
Sorry. A beer.
with. Here's my slide. Oh. It's scary. Like I'm already gagging.
This- Failed.
That is horrible.
Wes, you want to do it?
No, I'm not doing it.
Why?
I don't see the point in it.
Look at her. She's like gonna puke.
Yeah, and that just doesn't really appeal to me.
How was it?
It's fucking terrible. It's like coated all over my tongue and shit.
Now you got a mess to clean up.
Quit recording me.